Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find accounts and sync. As you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account, but no worries. Let's simply tap on add account to add new one and then tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account. Of course you can always remove it, just tap on it and tap on delete account. Tap on OK. And as you can see, the account will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.